family of Michael Brown is set to file a civil lawsuit against Darren Wilson. An attorney saying that while the Justice Department may have accepted his claim of self-defense, they do not.
We feel, and we've always felt from the very beginning, that Officer Darren Wilson did not have to shoot and kill Mike Brown Jr. in broad daylight in the manner that he did, that he had other options available to him.
The Ferguson shooting and events that followed revealing the deep divide among Americans on race and on the U.S. justice system, opinions that are echoed in a new CNN poll. When asked if the system treats blacks and whites equally, 49% of whites and 19% of blacks say yes. When asked if the legal system favors whites, 42% of whites agree compared to 76% of blacks. In light of these statistics and of the Justice Department's scathing report on Ferguson, we were wondering why the Ferguson police chief is remaining silent. CNN's Sarah Seidner did too. She got impatient and she forced the issue. So tell us, how did you track down Chief Jackson?
Well, look, basically he's been told not to talk, and to be fair, we contacted him several times, we contacted the city several times, we've been in touch with them over these many months and weeks, and all we asked for was just to sit down, just to tell us what they're going to do and reaction to some of what was in the DOJ report. And I'll let you hear what his answers were, because eventually we just had to go track him down.
Explain, do you think the department has a race problem? Do they have a problem? And are you going to fix it? What are you going to do about it?
I need to have time to really analyze this report so I can comment on it.
Why do you need time to analyze the report? You know what you should have known what was going on in your department, correct? Right? Cars. He should have known, and he did know. This is his email, unearthed by the Department of Justice during its investigation. In the 2013 email, the DOJ highlighted the chief boasting that court revenue passed the $2 million mark for the first time in history. The city manager responds, "Awesome, thanks." Apparently not awesome enough, because in another email, the city manager tells a colleague he asked the chief if he thought the PD could deliver a 10% increase, adding he indicated they could try. The intense effort to get money through traffic tickets and court fines. And statistics show African Americans bore the brunt of that. What do you think of the DOJ's report?
I'm still analyzing it.
You're still looking at it. But don't you think you should have known some of the things that came out? The racist emails, the numbers. Were you just trying to bilk people out of money instead of protecting them? Telling your